Hey guys, what's up? So Xiaomi will be announcing two new handsets, the Mi 10 Ultra and the Redmi K30 Ultra on their 10th anniversary tomorrow, and ahead of the announcement we have the Geekbench Score of the Mi 10 Ultra. The device was seen bearing the model number M2007J1SC and scored 901 points on the single core test and 3275 on the multi-core department. These results are in line with other Snapdragon 865 Plus powered phones, so we can assume the phone will have the Snapdragon 865 Plus SoC. The test also revealed that the phone comes with 16GB of RAM and boots the latest Android 10 operating system. Apart from this, we already know that the Mi 10 Ultra might sport a 120Hz Full HD Plus AMOLED panel, a 4500 mAh battery with 100 or 120 watt fast wired charging and 55 watts fast wireless charging. The Mi 10 Ultra will be similar to Mi 10 Pro in the camera department, the only change being the addition of a periscope zoom lens that supports up to 120 times hybrid zoom. The phone will have the same 108 megapixel primary camera, a 20 megapixel ultra wide and an 8 megapixel telephoto module. It will also have NFC and 5G support given the Snapdragon 865 Plus SoC. The phone will be available in two variants with a ceramic back and a transparent back with various memory configurations including 8256 and 12256GB for the ceramic, while the more premium transparent one will come with 12256 and 16512GB option. We also have a hands-on image of the retail box for the phone. Moving on, Xiaomi CEO Legion has confirmed that the Redmi K30 Ultra is based on the Redmi K30 Pro with some added features that should offer a full flagship experience. If you remember, the K30 Pro came with a 60Hz AMOLED display that was a disappointment for many, hence the company may include a 120Hz refresh rate on the K30 Ultra. The phone is expected to get a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel. It is rumored to have a 64 megapixel quad camera setup, which might be similar to the one on the K30 Pro with the same camera placement, where sensors will be placed on an Oreo-styled camera module and a 20 megapixel selfie camera on the front. The phone may have the Snapdragon 865 or the 865 Plus SoC, as the company has promised a full flagship experience, and since it's based on the K30 Pro that has a Snapdragon 865 as well. However, there are rumors that the phone might get the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus SoC, but I hope it uses a Snapdragon 865. It will be available in 6128, 8128 and 8512GB variants and have a 4500 mAh battery. The phone will be available in white, black and mint green color options. That's it for this video. Do let me know your thoughts on the Mi 10 Ultra. Also smash the like button if you like the video and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.